Welcome to the 14th box break. In this case of Select 2012 AFL Eternity. We're working our way through it, only a few box breaks to go. Still looking for one redemption card, maybe a Hall of Fame legend autograph would be nice. So we'll start opening the packets up. First pack. Now we've got a Buddy Franklin All-Australian in the first pack. If you watched our last box break, you would have seen we hit the Buddy Franklin redemption card. Medal winner's signature, nice one, number 26 of 200. So that was a nice hit for us. Nathan Buckley Hall of Fame there. So yeah, finally it took us 13 boxes into the case to finally get one of the redemption cards. D. Tottenham. So we are still looking for a possibility of another redemption card. Hopefully we definitely get one in this case. Based on the odds, you should get two per case. James Hird, a Hall of Fame. Could be another medal winners redemption, or it could be a Hall of Fame legend signature redemption. So we'll see how we go there. We've got a Michael Voss, Hall of Fame parallel, numbered 547 of 800. Next pack. It'll also be interesting to see after we go through this whole case how we go with the Hall of Fame parallels, whether we have ourselves a full set of those or whether we have doubles, and whether we possibly have a full set all in the one number as well. There's another chance. Next pack. Hall of Fame parallel again, Mark Rasciuto, and that's 547. We've had quite a few of those 547 ones. A full set in the one number would be nice, even if they are a high number. Next pack, just the Hall of Fame there. Next pack, just a Michael Voss Hall of Fame. Next pack, Gary Hocking Hall of Fame. Next pack, just a Michael Long Hall of Fame. They get you with those checklist cards sometimes in front of the Hall of Fames. You think you've pulled something out, but it's actually just a checklist card sitting in front. And here we go, we've got our AFL VFL Premiership card, one per box, 1913 Fitzroy, and a limited edition number 174 of 400. So not a low number there, but a nice card. Hall of Fame. Next pack. Still looking for draft pick 1 in the draft pick signatures. Dipper, it'd be nice to get a pattern draft pick. Carmichael Hunt. Next pack. Noel Teasdale, Hall of Fame. Next pack. Guy McKenna, Hall of Fame. Next packet. Ross Smith, Hall of Fame. So still looking for most of our big hits in this box. Box number 14. Next pack. Just a Hall of Fame there. Next pack. An All-Australian, and we've got Dean Cox, an All-Australian there. He's had a massive season, Dean Cox. Gavin Brown. Yeah, had an exceptional season. All the tall timber over in Western Australia have had really big seasons this year. They've have unfortunately been struck by a lot of injuries, but West Coast, unfortunate or fortunate depending on who you support. I'm not a massive West Coast fan, but you know, you feel like they're a little bit unfortunate over there because they could have had a really big year this year, but I think injuries have cruelled them. Then again, that happens to everyone. I think that's the same with the Bombers this year too, but that could be a mismanagement thing. Next pack. I'm getting plenty of time to ramble on to you at the moment because we're not hitting much out of these packets. Working our way through this box, we've still got quite a few big hits to go. Next pack, Wayne Carey, Hall of Fame. Box break 14. Next packet. And we've hit our patch card here. And it is Carlton, Chris Judd. Nice one. Sure to be a popular card. And a nice low number would be fantastic. But every time I say that I usually dip out. And yes, it isn't. It's a 194 of 400. Nice looking card. That's our patch card for the box. Our logo patch card. Next pack. All Australian Scott Pendlebury. Haven't hit too many of those in this case, so that's good. Next pack. Another All Australian here, Stevie Milne. The All Australians. Next pack. And we've hit an award winner, and it's Dane Swan. These are the combined odds with the Living Legend cards. Nice looking card, that one, on the back there as well. So that's our award winner, Hall of Fame. So getting down to the last few packets in this box, still looking for our draft pick signature and maybe a redemption. Hall of Fame. Next pack. Darren Jarman, Hall of Fame. Next packet. Hall of Fame parallel card here, Horry Gorringe. Limited edition number 547. Next pack. And Hall of Fame parallel card, Nathan Buckley, 647. That's our 4 of those out of this box. Just looking now for the draft pick signature, I do believe, or a redemption. Dipper Hall of Fame. Next pack. Peter Carey, Hall of Fame. Next packet. Glenn Jakovich, Hall of Fame. So last 3 packets of this box. Tony Shaw, Hall of Fame. Next pack. Paul Kelly, Hall of Fame. So we've actually left it to the last pack in the box to see if we can pull out a draft pick signature. Let's hope it's in here, otherwise we've had a dud box. Here it is. And it's Port Adelaide, and it's Chad Wingard, which is probably one of the higher profile draft pick players from this first year. That's a nice looking draft pick signature, and it is limited edition number 158 of 300. So yes, it's a Chad Wingard draft pick signature. So that's all the packets cracked open for this box. So just a quick summary of the cards we've pulled out of this 14th box break. In this case break, we've pulled out on the odds in this one. We've got 4 of our Hall of Fame parallels: Nathan Buckley, Horry Gorringe, Mark Rasciuto, and Michael Voss. So a couple of nice players amongst those. We've got our All Australian cards. We've got Stevie Milne, Scott Pendlebury, Dean Cox, and Buddy Franklin. We've got our AFL VFL Premiership card, the one per box. And that one's 1913 Fitzroy, limited edition number 174. And our jersey patch card, which is Chris Judd, and he's limited edition number 194. I should be calling these club logo patch cards, not jersey patch cards. I keep wanting to call them jerseys, but they're just a club logo on a patch, canvas style sort of looking. Nice looking card, but then we got award winners: Dane Swan. And our draft pick signature for this box was Chad Wingard from Port Adelaide. Nice player, nice looking card, nice signature on there. And this one was a limited edition number 158 of 300. So once again, thanks to Glenn from Gold Coast Trading Cards for providing this case for us. And we'll move on to the 15th box break next. 2 box breaks to go, and still looking for one of our redemption hits.